7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey guys, I hope you're all having a great day. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Ingrida. I usually do makeup reviews followed up by a tutorial using the makeup product. So my goal is just to, be super honest with you about the makeup products I try, no matter if it's sponsored or no, and just to, brighten up your day with some positivity, because with all the things that's happening now in the world, I think we all need just a little bit of positivity in our life. If you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, check it out. I post way much more on Instagram. I post usually daily, especially on my stories, so give a follow if you can. And if you want to see more review videos followed by tutorials, press the button to subscribe. Okay, this video. Now, I was thinking to create something, Halloweenish, but more suitable for like everyday as well. Everyday, well, you know what I mean. It's just because I'm not big on Halloween. At least I don't really celebrate, like, I think it was a few years ago, probably the last time that I went to a Halloween party or something. Maybe not a few years, maybe like 4 years or something. Yeah, I'm not really big on Halloween. I don't really celebrate that. It might be because where I come from. I was born and raised in Lithuania, if you guys don't know yet. I live in UK for over a decade now. And I think the time when I was still living in Lithuania, like, there was no such thing as Halloween. I'm pretty sure it's already now and there is everything moving, all the traditions, everyone's taking over everything. So yeah, so for that reason, I never was that big on Halloween. Leave a comment down below, let me know where you guys from and if you celebrate Halloween as a country, as a nation, and if you personally celebrate Halloween. Like, because I never understood what it is exactly about. I mean, it's just a costume party, am I right? Leave a comment down below, let me know, because I'm a bit confused. So anyways, with makeup look, I really want to do like fiery look, because I see like loads of different looks trending, but I wanted to do something, that would be super simple to create, yet would look fiery. So I think without any further ado, let's do it. I decided today for this look to use only one eyeshadow palette, because I thought that would be just easier. So basically what you need, guys, the shadow palette that we have yellow, orange, and like a red-orange color, so only these three shades. So any eyeshadow palette that you could find, would work for this. I have the Tommy Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. So we're gonna start off by priming the eyes. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer. And then just quickly set it with a setting powder. I'm gonna use for that the XX Revolution setting powder. Let's start from this orange shade. I'm actually gonna use my finger first and pat it in the middle of my mobile lid. And kind of blend it. Alright, so what I'm doing with this orangey shade, I'm gonna cover all my mobile lid, going slightly bit higher than my creases, because my eyes are so hooded, so I want to see, this shadow more. And because I'm doing kind of more Halloweenish look, I'm gonna go a bit over the top. If you wanna do this look more for like, everyday wear, because it can be done, go a bit, smaller, don't go as big. But because I want to be more Halloweenish, I'm gonna drag it out to my brow. Next thing I'm taking this red shade, once again, first on my finger. I'm doing exactly the same, so starting closer to the lash line, I'm gonna blend it out. Taking the same brush I used before, just blending this shade. So this orange and red mixes nicely together. And slightly bit blending it outwards once again. Don't worry if you mess up a bit out the corner, because when you're gonna be applying the foundation, you can always tidy this up. So if you go a bit too much, don't worry much about it. Taking a yellow shade. And now with this, I'm gonna go on the edges of this orangey red color. So basically everywhere on the edges. So next way I'm taking the white liner. This one is by Revolution Pro Supreme Dip Liner. And what I'm doing with this liner, I just scrabble around, kind of like a flames look. Don't need to be precise, it doesn't even need to match both eyes. Just scrabble the white lines, start thicker from the inner eye corner and then drag it out through a brow to a thinner lines, kind of like a flame would go with this white liner, and then we're gonna color this in. Something like this. Looks kind of like a flame, do you think? So I'm coming back to this yellow shade. And what I'm doing, I'm just pressing it on the top of this white eyeliner. Basically like coloring this eyeliner in. And then I'm taking a bit of orange, mixing with this yellow, and gonna do exactly the same. So these two shades and on the top of a white liner. And what I'm doing there, I'm tapping kind of like on the outer corner, a bit in a C shape. And then you can kind of tap it out to the outer corner. Just what's left on the finger, like I'm not adding anything on top. The eyes are nearly done. Just need to apply a bit of mascara and falsies. I think I'm gonna go for magnetic falsies. These ones are by Forever, as it's super easy to apply. So for that, I'm gonna use the magnetic eyeliner. So I'm just gonna draw the line super close to my lash line, just where the magnetic lash is gonna be. Let's add a little bit of mascara. You can do this prior or after you apply false lashes. Alright, lashes is on, mascara is on. I'm just cleaning the fallouts with a wet wipe. I'm using simple biodegradable wipes, if you're wondering. Okay, for the foundation, I'm gonna use the NYX Skin Stop One Stop in color Natural. Taking NYX Sweet Cheeks palette, I'm gonna go with this shade. So I'm going kind of in this place rather than my cheeks. Okay, let's finish the lower lash line and then we can do highlighter and the lips. I'm taking the yellow shade and I'm going all over the lower lash line with this. I'm taking the fluffier brush I used before for blending, tiny dab of this yellow shade, and I'm gonna go and kind of soften these edges. I'm going like majorly a lot or anything, just soften up the edges. Before I'm gonna add my mascara, I'm gonna highlight the inner eye corner. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Glow Kit. For inner eye corner, I'm using the color White Sand. I'm taking this NYX of Tropics liner and I'm gonna do my waterline with this. Okay, well, let's apply some mascara on the lash line. Eyes will be done. For the highlighter, I'm gonna mix these two shades of White Sand and Golden Tone. For lips, I'm going with Glitter Goals and Crystal Crush by NYX. Alright, so for lipstick, obviously you can go with something, you know, more nude or more red or more orangey, whatever you prefer. For a bit of glitter kind of would work in here. Plus this glitter goes, it has golden glitter, it's warm color, so I think it's kind of matching with eyes, but it's, you know, completely up to you if you wanna add some glitter or no. And yeah, this is the finished look. What do you guys think?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Guys, what do you think of this makeup look? Is a yay or nay from yours? I honestly wanted to do like fire inspired makeup look for such a long time, but it kind of was like because it's so out of my comfort zone. If you've been following me for a while, you probably guys know that I like, you know, more nudish colors and, you know, neutral makeup, nothing, you know, out there screaming look at me or anything, you know what I mean, you've seen my videos. So this is a bit, you know, out of my comfort zone. But like saying that, I really like it. Like I like these colors a lot. It's like a fall colors, so I would kind of want to wear it not for Halloween, just wear it. You can obviously do way more smaller, don't go up to the brown, don't go out to the size, you know, just stay in like your mobile zone. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment down below, let me know if you liking this makeup look and if you're gonna go and recreate this. If yes, please tag me in your pictures. Like I would love to see that. Honestly guys, you make my day when you tag me in your pictures recreating my makeup looks. Love it. Like love it. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I feel like I'm saying this every time because it's so super important, you guys. If you press that button to subscribe and if you press that little bell icon in there that would notify you about my videos, that would support me even more. So thank you so much for your support. Have a lovely day. See you soon. Bye.